Put your hand on your back now!
On September 8, 2025, Joliet, Illinois police were called to a local gas station after reports of a disturbance involving an out-of-town woman refusing to leave the property. What began as a simple call quickly escalated, ending with officers placing the woman in handcuffs.
Did you guys see what happened at all?
I don't even
Because I know you guys were all
okay.
together.
I wasn't trying to intervene. All I'm saying is,
I don't even know.
all I know is that.
Whose dog is it? Okay, sounds good. Alright, guys. Where's your friend at? Where's your friend at? You guys have to go. They don't want you at the gas station, okay? So you guys gotta go.
I wasn't even.
I don't care. Go.
I don't care.
Okay, so go. No, you're not gonna use the bathroom. So I need you to head out now. Or you're gonna be trespassed. And you're gonna go to jail. So come on.
Okay.
Come on. Go.
I'm gonna wait for.
You can wait outside.
He's
Come on.
in the bathroom.
You can wait outside or you're gonna go to jail. This is my last warning. Go.
The park's looking clear. We're gonna check the area.
Go or you're gonna go to jail. Come on. You wanna go to jail?
I have to go pee.
I don't
man.
care. They don't want you here, so go.
I wasn't messing with anything.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so
I
go.
wasn't part of anything.
You're gonna need to go.
I wasn't
Okay,
a part
where's your
of
ID?
anything.
What's your name? What is your name?
I wasn't a part of.
I don't care.
I
They
don't
don't want
care.
you here. So what is your name?
Who doesn't want us here?
What is your name? The guest staff member, the manager, does not want you here. So go.
I don't think. I think he wants me here.
He doesn't want you here. Do you need to go in handcuffs to realize that he don't want you here? Okay, you're gonna go in handcuffs, so turn around.
Hey, bitch! Hey!
Turn around!
Wait, lay off the
You're gonna go.
No. You're gonna go handcuffs.
You're gonna go.
Lay off of me! No, lay off of me! Lay off of me!
You're gonna go.
Lay off of me! I will! Lay
Back
off
up.
Stop!
Lay off of me!
Babe!
No, I will stop it!
Stop resisting.
My phone! I will! Lay off it! I will
Put your hand on your back now!
One in custody, trespassing resisting. You're coming with.
Please don't take me.
Stand up.
I swear.
Stand
Get
up.
up.
No, don't hurt. You hurt me.
Walk!
Stop hurting me, bitches. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. God damn it. I have to pee. I have to pee. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm innocent. Why you?
I got a double lock.
You're just a dickhead. You just. I didn't do anything. My back. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I swear.
You search her.
I didn't do anything. I swear to God.
All you had to do was leave.
I'm innocent. I swear. I'm just there. I am just there. I swear. I'm sorry. I don't have anything. I swear. I don't have anything. I'm a dickhead because
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have anything. Get away.
Stop.
Stop!
Let me tell you guys, stop.
My back. I'm sorry.
Then quit moving!
Just watch so these
I
other people don't
don't
start
have
fighting too.
have anything. I don't have.
Stop
I
moving.
don't like you, Joanna. This is my first time.
Well, then maybe you should listen. Should have just left.
You should have done anything.
All right.
Oh, come on. Can't you fucking listen? I haven't done anything. Any fucking thing.
According to the police report from Joliet, Illinois, the 23-year-old woman was arrested on the following charges: criminal trespass and 3 counts of resisting/obstructing a peace officer. These were the offenses listed by the Joliet Police Department in connection with the gas station incident. As always, this footage is shared for educational and public awareness purposes. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you found this video informative, consider liking and subscribing for more real-world body camera content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.